Hey, it's your boy Uncle Rich here with another one of Uncle Rich's rants. And I will be expressing myself for this rant, so there will be adult language. So if you have kids that you have raised to run away every time they hear a curse word, then please remove them from the room. And if you went to church last Sunday, then also please stop listening now. However, if you didn't go to church, then that's fine because Uncle Rich is taking that ass to church today. Woo! Hey! I feel the Tesla Holy Spirit inside of me and deep inside of me, and the Holy Tesla Spirit says that Tesla isn't going anywhere. The hell was that? Anyways, before we start this sermon and get into why Tesla isn't going anywhere, I wanted to bring something to your attention. This wounded war veteran on GoFundMe needs money for medical bills, and unfortunately, he hasn't met his goal. But Elon Musk's new couch campaign is overfunded. Woo! Elon Musk is sleeping at the factory, and fellow Tesla owners are chipping in to get him a nice couch. This is the specific reason why I make fun of you people. Elon Musk is a multi-billionaire. He owns the factory he sleeps in. He also owns the car that you drive. And he slept with your wife twice. And you want to get him a couch? Boy, are you... This wounded war veteran took 2 bullets from my dumb ass so I could sit here and talk shit in my underwear, but this is what we choose to give our money to, you know? No. Not a simple tweet that says, hey man, hang in there, buddy. You know, no. Let's get and buy him a couch that...
Hi.
Yep. What?
What are you doing?
I'm doing my podcast thing.
Oh my gosh. Can you stop? Because we're trying to sleep and you're waking the kids up. And if they fully get up, then I'm done and you have to do the kids.
Well, sorry about that, guys. Whew, that was, sorry for that technical difficulty. So, my wife never really comes down to complain about my ranting. That was really strange. Okay, where was I? No. A simple tweet that says, hey man, hang in there, buddy. No. That won't do. Let's get this man $6,000 to get him a new couch. This kid dying of cancer on a GoFundMe? No. Send that kid a get well card. I want my damn Model 3. Where's my Model 3 at? Oh my gosh, no. Elon Musk needs a rest. Oh, he's a tired billionaire. I have so many companies and so much money. I need a nap. I'm telling you. Tesla isn't going anywhere. Tesla is here to stay. I don't care what the numbers say. All right? I don't care how much money Tesla spends in a day. I don't care that Tesla said they'd have 100,000 Model 3s on the road and they've made like 9. All right? And 4 are being repaired already. I don't care about that. I don't care about missed deadlines. I don't care about build quality. I don't care. You know why? Because if there's a hint or inkling of Tesla potentially going under, this man's right here will single-handedly save the company. This man's has the Tesla logo shaved on the back of his head. Do you think this man will sit back and watch his company go bankrupt? Look at the people in this crowd for the semi unveiling, shaking their wallets at a Tesla Roadster and a Tesla Semi. Which one of these people have driven a semi? What is you doing, baby? No, but really, wait. There's no way that they're going to let Tesla go under. Someone will buy them because the brand is way too valuable. All right? Some rich tycoon will buy them. Apple will join with Facebook or something, and they'll get bought out or something like that. Or a bunch of people will donate to the GoFundMe to revive Tesla from bankruptcy. If they could raise $6,000 for a couch, how much can they raise for Tesla not sinking? At least $3 billion. You know what I mean? I want you to save that energy for if Tesla goes under, which they will not. They can't. I'm telling you, they can't. Tesla isn't going anywhere. You want to take Tesla away from white people? Are you crazy, boy? What is you doing, baby? You can't do that. You want people to start driving a Nissan Leaf? Huh? What? You can't be smug in a Nissan Leaf. You're just basic. White people want their Teslas, man. Listen, white people are problem solvers when it comes to their EVs, all right? If their EVs are on the line, they're going to fix it. And no, I'm not racist. My wife's whiter than mozzarella cheese on a sheet of paper. Listen, all right, your argument's invalid, all right? We crack jokes all the time, and it's adorable and funny when I talk about white people, but actually terrifying when she makes black jokes. It's like, it's like, hey, sweetie, hey, why don't we save those jokes when it's just you and I? Because those jokes coming from you aren't exactly crowd pleasers. I'm just being stupid, man. Hey, stay tuned. I'll see you guys next week for more bullshit, all right?